Hello, this is Mr. Opelia, and this is for the distance learners. We are doing this in the classroom right now. We are making a animal plant cell organelles booklet, okay? So in order to make this booklet, we have all of these different organelles of plant and animal cells, and we are going to make a booklet to explain them. Notice over here we have the first page, plant only. Plants only are the only ones that have a cell wall and chloroplast. So forgive me for the yellow that leaked through. I shouldn't have done that. So you're probably smarter than me with that. But anyway, I made a mistake and I wasn't going to redo it just for that. So you start out giving the definition, cell wall, rigid structure outside plant, and so on. And then chloroplasts, organelles and plant cells that change light energy into chemical energy for the plant. And then you will draw pictures of those two down here. Draw pictures of the cell wall and chloroplasts that would be in a cell. Okay? Do that. Do a neat job. Be very careful. Do the very best you can. Use color. Do a good job. Then we have other organelles up here. So then you go and do the rest of them. All of these, by the way, are in the cell notes, which will be on Google Classroom as well. You will see cell notes, and you will see all of these listed. Okay? So I'm just going to give you an example of what the pages should look like. So here is, we have mitochondria. Write the definition like we did back over here for the cell wall and the chloroplast. Write the definition and draw a picture of mitochondria. Then go down farther, lysosomes, the definition of what lysosomes do for the cell, and then draw a picture. And then on the next page, on these next two pages, do the same for the next ones. So have two on each page, just like this, until you get them all done. How many are there? They're right here. So if you pause this video, you'll be able to see all of them. They are all parts of the inside of the cell, with these two only in plant cells. Okay? Now, the way you make this booklet is a little tricky, but you take two pieces of paper, computer paper, like this. And the first thing you do is fold them both in half, like this, and you make a crease. Okay? They both have a crease. The next thing you do is you take one and you take it and you take a scissors. You take a scissors. Okay, remember you have it folded like this. Okay, take a scissors and you cut up from the base. See, I don't know how to do this. Okay, you have it like this. Open it, cut up from the base about 2 inches. Okay, and then the other side, 2 inches. And there you have one like this with slits on the top and the bottom. Look, notice the slits right here and right here. I know that looks funny and strange, but don't worry about it. Take this and set it to the side. Okay, set it to the side. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the other one that you have here. This is your second piece of paper that I showed you. You're going to take that and you're going to fold it open like this, and you're going to crease it. Okay, you're going to crease it up like this. Okay, let me get a better one. Okay, sorry. You're going to have your second one that looked like the first one to begin with. You're going to crease it up like this. Then what you're going to do, watch carefully, you open it up, you crease it the opposite way as well. So now you have this one in a lengthwise fashion. Okay, it was like this, right? But you opened it up and you creased it this way. Now you have this. The next thing you do is you hold your paper here, you take your scissors, and you're going to cut from the back side. That's closed, right? You're going to cut that much. Okay? This is the back side that's closed, remember. When you open it up, it's going to look like this. And you're going to hold it just like you did before, like the booklet. Okay? You got it. Now remember that other piece of paper we had, which is this one? We're going to put it inside of here. This one that you just did, we are going to take this one that we cut the ends off, remember? And we're going to slide it in. I hope this is easy to see. We're going to slide that paper in. Don't force it. Don't force it. Just stick in that paper slowly, like so. And then you might have to curve the paper a little bit to tuck it into this side. This is a little tricky for some. And then it comes out to be a booklet. If you were in 6th grade with me last year, we would have made one. So now we have a booklet. We have our 4 sheets. And you are going to make this, remember? So now you have this, and now you have a booklet. You have a booklet to do your project on. I'm going to show you that real quick one more time because it may have been kind of awkward to do. So I'm just going to do it one more time to show you. And hopefully you'll be able to get the hang of it. Again, remember, start out with both of them that are just regular pieces of paper like this. You take the first one, right, and you cut a slit in from the end, about 2 inches in. You go to the other side, and you cut 2 inches in, and you get this, right? That's paper number 1. Take it, set it to the side. This one, you have it folded like this. You're going to open it up. You're going to fold it like this as well. You have it like this. Now you're going to make that cut with the scissors from the closed end up about 3/4 of the paper and stop. Take it, open it up again like this, and now you have this one and this one, and you're going to slide this through this slot. Okay, there you go. Now you have it. So I hope you can do that. And there's your booklet. This is what you need to do for the assignment. It is due next Thursday. So on February 4th, this assignment is due. Okay, well, and study the different organelles within each cell and know what they do for the cell. That would be something else that you need to take care of. All right, well, have a good weekend if you're looking at this Friday or on the weekend. Otherwise, you'll see it Monday. Thanks a lot.